Hello everyone. In this tube, you can get some different very important knowledge about technological knowledge tutorials, videos, some tips. Therefore, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Today, we will look about the Microsoft Visio introduction part. First thing, Microsoft Visio is a product of one of the Microsoft products which is purchased on a standalone version. The Microsoft Visio is used for the drawing of floor plans, different floor plans, and flow charts. The first thing you will do is opening the Microsoft Visio. For opening the Microsoft Visio, you can go to the Start and go to Next, All Apps. Then go to the capital V, which is the first letter of Visio, and click here. When you open the Microsoft Visio, you will see this view. This view is known as the backstage view of Microsoft products, which is the Word, Excel, project that have the same opening view. The backstage indicates that their home that is has four options for the templates, for blank drawings and floor plan templates, and to open the recent and pinned files. The new command is here that indicates the opening of different templates. Here are the business template engineering for electrical diagrams. You can draw electrical diagrams using Visio. You can draw flowcharts. You can start from this template, and there are general for drawing shapes and for drawing maps and floor plans, site plans, for example. You can use this template. Here is the network diagram for any organizational illustration, and the schedule work. You can use it. Software and database work. You can use this template, or you can use new from existing file. The third command is the opening. Opening means by navigating the places of your files, you can open it, or you can open on files that are stored on OneDrive. Here is the account option. The account option tells you the product activation and other things, the user, the office background. Here you can see it. Feedbacks are the messages or suggestions that you will send for the Microsoft for improvement of its product. The final setting is the option, indicates different settings that can be changed by the user. In here you can change the settings that are not comfortable for you, the general, the proofing, and here it's indicate. The next places we have finished the backstage area. The next one is when you click here. Here are the tabs of the Microsoft Visio: File, Home, Insert, Design, Data. These are the tabs. They have different groups. We say this groups. This is undo groups. It holds undo and redo. The clipboard group holds cut, copy, and the font group is about editing the font and others. For the means of illustration, I can open the floor plan template, for example. When you click the floor plan template, you see that English and US measurement, which is metric, and US, you can use your favorite or your suitable measurement method. I will select a metric unit and then click create. When you create, you will have this shape pane and this look. As I mentioned in the previous, these are the tabs and commands and groups. When you say about tabs holds the different groups as I discussed in the previous. For example, illustration group holds is card drawing and chart, icon, pictures, commands. These are called as commands. We will see it one by one for the next. This is the comment pane when we suitable for opening the comments and others file, other options we can see here. For editing, for example, connection pointers, shapes, we can edit or you can see here. For now, I will close it. Okay. Here is the status bar, which indicates the smaller data about our work. For example, we are in the United States. We can see his presentation mode, which is pop up our workers in the presentation mode like PowerPoint work and other views. You can click and hold the slider, and by going to the right and left, we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, let's start with home. Home holds the Android and Rudo. You know this from the previous workers that we can use the Android and Rudo effects. The clipboard holds the paste, cut, copy, format painter. Format painter is copying the existing format to another property. And the font group is easy, choosing the different types of fonts, the sizes of font, the increasing and decreasing font commands, the bolding, italic, making italic, underline, restricting out, capitalizations option, and coloring option. Color of the fonts option is indicated here. When you go to the paragraph, it is also have an indentation, indentation and indentation, as see here. When you place the cursor here, you will see increase indent. Move your paragraph further away from the margin. Here is the center, the top, the middle, and the bottom alignment of the text. Line left command, the center, and the line right, and the justify. The justify command is indicated here. The next one is the tools. Tools have pointer tools, which is when you click pointer, you will use in your work area or workspace the cursor. Next, you will see the connector. First, in order to discuss the connector, let's see this command. This command holds the rectangle tool, the ellipse tool, line, freeform, arc, pencil.